Only cutting one though, marking 4. Should be plumb if I hold it to the end of this. So this one could either go here or here. Doesn't really matter. I'm gonna put it right here. Remember, we're gonna hold that away. I've been out of the framing game for a while, so this just totally slipped my mind. There's a better way to do this. Let me show you. Spin it. There it is. Nail it this way. And on this side, this is what it'll look like, but I just want to make sure it's flat, so I put some nails in this way. Yeah, this would have been easier to do before. That looks pretty good. That ain't going nowhere. There we go. Same but different. Just looks cleaner.